Where am I?
Are you the locksmith?
Yes, I am.
So what took you so long?
The thing is that I was going from.
Hey, I'm already late. I misplaced the key to my door and I need this opened right now.
Alright, no problem.
Where are your tools?
I don't need any tools when I have master key. The answer to everything. It opens anything.
This is amazing. That's 0 to 100 Pro Max. Where did you learn to do that?
Actually, I'm a student of.
No, that's okay. It's okay. Just come with me. Come. Wow. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You have no idea what you have done for me.
You're welcome.
Love it.
You're welcome.
So how much is the money?
Thank you.
Hey, one deal. We spoke on the phone and you told me pay is 2K. But that's what is 10K. So we're okay, bye.
I thought your door is wooden door, it's iron door. That's why.
It's iron door.
Yes, that's
it's
right.
Iron door.
It's metal.
No problem. No, you cannot rob a god of iron.
Thank you very much. What a beautiful home.
I'm so sorry. I'm super sorry for keeping you. I have a little problem here. I do not remember the passcode. I have to call my husband. The money isn't here, don't worry. So.
No, don't worry. Say no more. No need. Master key.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
It opens not only door but safe.
Everything?
Wow.
Wow.
You got
Just like that.
Okay.
Just hold it. Just hold it. It's simply amazing. No, this is amazing. I'm totally blown away. You said your money is 10K, Abby?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just give me a moment. Just one moment.
All right,
ma'am. Yes. Just 1 minute, okay?
All right, ma'am.
I'll be right back.
Babe, you didn't close the door.
Like check out in my eye.
Oops.